Hi, welcome to Yum's Cuisine Island Treasure Hunt. If you enjoy different dishes from different cultures, ethnicities, and countries, then this channel is for you. What I would like for you to do is please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell, like, share, and comment. So as mentioned in the title, today we are making fried chicken. The way the Colonel does it, crispy and flaky. So let's jump right into today's video. So I have here a whole chicken cut into parts. I will leave the link for that video in the description box below. And this chicken is sponsored by Jemma Morrison. I will also leave her contact information down below so that you all can contact her for this really juicy, scrumptious chicken. So as you can see here, I've already cleansed my chicken and I'm adding my spices to my cleansed chicken. And now guys, I know I've been missing in action for quite a bit, but it's a new year and I'm back and I'm ready. So let's go. Let's get these recipes on the stove. Let's make the best of this 2021. Guys, I hope that you all are continuing to be safe during this COVID period. My prayers are with you and your family. Let's keep it safe, keep it clean, make the best of this 2021. So now with clean hands, I'm gonna rub my spices, my marinade rub into my chicken. And now using cling wrap, I'm going to seal this container and leave it in my refrigerator overnight. Now if you're pressing for time, you can leave this to soak for 2 to 3 hours. So here I have a bowl of water, a bowl of flour, and my chicken. And in this container, I have all the spices that I've used before, which I'm going to add to the flour and combine properly. Now you want to make sure that you flavor the flour. Now this method is going to give you that crispy, flaky, KFC-like fried chicken. So here I have my pot of oil already heated, and I'm going to use a skewer stick to test to see if it's ready. Now as you can see, there's bubbles forming around the stick, and that tells me that my oil is at the temperature that it needs to be. So now we're going to move on to the next step. So I'm going to uncover my chicken. Using clean hands, I'm going to take piece, dip it into the flour, coat the chicken completely. Then I'm going to dust it off a bit and dip it into the water. Now you can use a strainer to help get some of that dust out, or you just shake as normal and then dip this into the water. You take it out, back into the flour, cover completely once more. dip it one last time, then back into the flour again, cover completely, and then set aside for frying. And now we are deep frying this chicken. So I've switched pots because the first one was a bit too small. So now I'm going to drop my pieces into this oil, and you don't want to use any spoons to turn the pieces until they have been sitting in this oil for approximately 5 minutes, because you don't want the flakes to flake off. So this is an update on our chicken, and as you can see, it's coming along pretty well. 5 minutes has gone, and now it's time to turn the chicken. You want to make sure that these chicken aren't sticking to each other. You want to separate them and continue the cooking process. So here are my results, and as you can see, I've already broken it into one of the pieces so that you can see how tender and moist and juicy this chicken really is. As you can see, it's made to perfection, just the way the Colonel does it. It's finger licking good. So get your spices and your chicken and try this recipe. Give me your feedback. Let me know how it turned out. So thank you once more to all my subscribers, potential subscribers, people that view but has not subscribed as yet. Thank you so much. Bye.